Tired of messy dust and killing your blades when cutting granite? Today, we're using the same saw blade for both tests. Dry cutting versus wet cutting. First up, dry cut. Notice the dust, the blade sparks, and the heat building up. Speed is decent, but the wear is visible. Now, wet cut. Water cools the blade instantly, dust is gone, and the cut edge is smoother. Efficiency is comparable, but blade life is much longer. Dry cut, faster setup, more dust, more heat, higher wear. Wet cut, cleaner, cooler, longer blade life, smoother edges. So, do you really need water? If you want longevity and cleaner work, wet cut wins. Which method do you prefer for your projects? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool tests.